Some say it's protection against discrimination. Others argue it's offensive to women. This month, a university law professor proposed expanding the Americans with Disabilities Act to include pregnancy.
The goal there, of course, is to get pregnant women accommodations so they can continue working as long as they can, hopefully up to the moment of birth.
The current Disability Act does not cover expectant mothers. The courts say the physical limitations of pregnancy are too minor to qualify.
I don't want to label it a disability because it isn't, but I do believe that pregnant women should be protected.
Pregnancy should not be considered a disability.
All right, pregnancy in and of itself is not a disease and it's not a disability. If anything, it is a super ability, a superpower that we women
it's a
have.
It's a super.
Absolutely. When you study the physiology of pregnancy, it is amazing that this can actually happen, that women actually have babies. And with that, power comes a lot of responsibility. One responsibility is being able to maintain a job and have job security. And that's where things change. And actually, under the Americans with Disability Act, the idea is not to say that a person is defective when using the term disability, but that the environment is defective. So it's environment versus biological, saying that basically there are certain conditions. Say a woman has a job where she has to lift a lot of things or move a lot of heavy stuff around. Pregnancy is a condition where that environment isn't, good for that. So she should have disability for that reason. I have so many patients who come in and they may have to go on bed rest and they just said, but I'll lose my job. I can't. And they have to make this huge choice between taking care of their health, their baby's health, and keeping their job, which are huge decisions. And it shouldn't be the case at all.
The law, Dr. Lee said that if you have a medical reason, like you have to sit in bed because you could lose your baby, you could impair your health.
Not in some places which have
you can't be fired for that.
Yeah, but they can not pay you. You can stay in your job, but you don't get paid leave. And this is extremely important. With women becoming a huge part of the workforce, sometimes the only breadwinner in the family, this is absolutely, it needs to be.
But you said something that was very important there is, if a pregnancy is one where she has to undergo bed rest, then it truly, I do think, becomes a disability. But to just say pregnancy is a disability,
No.
like you said, it's
world, there should be special considerations, special accommodations for pregnant
for
women.
certain women, they can't function as they normally did. Is that a disability? No.
It's a limitation.
Yes.
Is better as a better word than disability.